I am finally doing an unboxing of my new monitor. I've had it for a couple of weeks now and I've finally got the chance to do an unboxing and do an install. But before that, a quick message from our sponsor, if we got one that is. This video is sponsored by SaharaGaming. I've teamed up with them to bring you a £20 discount on their all-in-one water cooling system. Check out the link in the video description for more details. This discount will only last till September 2022. After that, you pay the normal price. So with that, let's get back to the video. I just want to explain to you why I bought a new monitor. I have two Acer monitors. This one is a Predator monitor, and this one, I can't remember what it is. I know it's an Acer. It's a model number 32 something or other. They don't actually make it anymore, but I want to replace that. Now, I'm not replacing it with my new monitor. I'm replacing it with that monitor. So that monitor is going over there, and my new monitor is going over there. And the reason for that is because they have different edgings. This has a nice fine edging. This has quite a thick bevel edging, and I want to replace it. Also, I'm not sure if you can see that, there's some scratches down there, and that's the main reason I want to replace it, because it's got a thick edging and it's got a thin edging, and I want to keep them both the same. Plus, there's one other reason. That is HDMI only, and you can see how slow it is, and that is DisplayPort. And this device here, my switch, is DisplayPort only, so I have to use a converter to convert it from DisplayPort to HDMI. So that makes that start up a bit slower than that, as you could see just a minute ago. So that is the reason I bought this. This is one of their latest monitors. Let's get her up, shall we? So I'm looking forward to doing this. This is one of their latest models. It's not the most expensive. It's around the £400 mark, or just over £400. So it's not cheap, but like I say, it's not one of their dearest. And again, I will stick a link in the video description in case you want to go and buy one, or just go and check it out. It is affiliated links, but I'm looking forward to doing the unboxing and doing an install. Like I say, I've had it a while, and finally, I'm trying to figure out, and finally get a man to do the unboxing, if I can get it open. I'm trying to find the join. This has G-Sync. It's got an IPS panel, which is my favourite type of panel, and it can do up to 165 Hertz. It actually says it's 1 millisecond response time. It actually says on the box 0.5 milliseconds, but I know, because when I bought it, that's what it said, it's 1 millisecond. But I do believe you can overclock it to do 0.1 milliseconds. I don't need to overclock it because it's going to be fast enough anyway. Also, I will not be using the legs, but I'll be using my dual monitor stand. Link in the video description in case you want to go check that out. So, feet, I will just put them away somewhere. Instructions. Power brick. That's a power brick and a half, that baby. Whoa. That's quite nice actually. Yeah. Power brick, this will be your plug. Come on, baby. Yeah. What else do we have? What else do we have down there? HDMI lead, USB. Why do I want a HDMI lead? Because it does have, I do believe it does have HDMI connection as well as DisplayPort. Like I said, I will be using DisplayPort only. More USBs, because it has, on the side it has built-in USBs. Not sure what other connections we have there, but we will go through and find out exactly what they are. And a 2-pin connection, which I won't be using. And then we have the main panel itself, which is quite light. Very light actually. And then it looks small. Let's get her out, shall we, without dropping it. Like I said, this is one of their latest ones. And there it is. Yeah. It's about the same size as the others. So it's a Predator. We have a Predator there. We have just an Acer there with a model number. I will stick it up there and tell you what model number it is. So NVIDIA G-Sync. What's that say? Agile Splendor IPS. So connectivity. Two USB 3.0s on the side, on the left hand side. Nothing on the right hand side, but there is an on-off button. No, actually, well, it might be an on-off actually. Yeah, it is. Plus it's a menu button and your menu's there. Your home button, top one, and does it say on the side? No, just got some lights. I believe they're just lights there to show you what it is. Wow. So underneath, looks like a reset button on the left. HDMI display port, which like I said, I will be using. Or will I? Yes, I will. Headphone socket maybe? I believe that might be a headphone socket. USB type 3 connection, that would be for connecting many devices to. And your plain old USB 2.0. Yeah. First impressions, it's made of plastic. And it says Acer on the back. Acer. And you can mount it on the wall. We're going to be mounting it on my dual monitor stand. And I believe that is, what's it called? Vesta connection. Which again I like, Vesta. So with that, let's do an install, shall we? Set them all up. As you can see, it's all set up and ready to go. And also, I've put these lights on. These little green lights, I've turned them on. You can turn them off. You can change the colour. You can change the effect. You can do lots of different things. You can even connect it to your PC. It actually comes with two leads. So if you want to plug it into your PC, you can do. But I've decided to leave it like that because I'm quite happy to mess about changing the colours manually and maybe change it to a blue or even have it as a strobe effect. I'm not sure yet. I'm still playing about with it. So what I'm going to do now is quickly go through the menu settings. There's not a lot of information. This is a quick guide. Look at the size of that book. It's a quick guide. And there's about 2 pages for the UK, the same as all the other languages. Yeah, there's only a couple of pages. So I'm going to quickly show you how easy it is to navigate. It did take me a few seconds to get my head around it. Right, there's 4 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a joystick with a button built into it. So if you push it in, it's classed as a button. So, top one is on off. The joystick, if you press it once, it will come up with adjusting brightness, input or menu. So if you go to, say for instance you want to adjust the brightness, it'll be the second one up. So you can adjust brightness. Press OK to say yes, that's what I want it at. So you can turn it up or down. I'm going to leave it on 97 because that's where it was. So that's that done. Press the joystick again, get the menu up. So you can do input. Mine's set display because I use DP, display port. So I'm leaving that like that. If you leave it alone, it will just go after a few seconds anyway. So get that up, press it again, you will get the menu up. And you can adjust picture, colour, audio, gaming. Now if we have a gaming mode, yeah, if you want to do gaming mode, press that. You can have it adaptive sync, refresh rate number. so you can change that. I'm going to leave it alone for now. Now if you want to come out of there and just leave it alone, or press the joystick again, press it again. And if you want to come out, just press that line now, which is that one there, and it'll come out straight away. But we want it on. Now then, if you press it again, press it twice, it doesn't work. I messed it up. Hang on, wrong button, that's why. Right, if you press it again, comes up with the menu. Now then, press this one where it's got the 4 squares, and you have gaming mode options. So we have action, racing, sports and user mode. Standard, eco, graphics, HDR. So I want it on graphics because I do a lot of graphic editing. So I want it on there. So press it once, press it twice, get that up, press where the 4 squares are, and scroll down. Oh, what happened now? I broke it. Oh no, it's changed. It's changing modes, don't worry. And graphic, we want it on there, so set OK, and it should be hopefully spot on colouring, and that's what I'm after. I'm not after gaming mode, but should I play some games, I will change it to gaming mode. So yeah, it's quite easy to do. Navigation is a little bit on the fiddly side, I find, in my opinion, but it's just getting your head around it. Once you get your head around it, you think, oh yeah, I know how to do that, just like I showed you. So let me know in the comments whether you think, you're thinking about buying one of these. If you are, check out my affiliated link in the video description, and it does help keep my channel growing. So with that, let me know in the comments what you think. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. I can start doing some video editing now.